Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD intraday turning up analysis http ntvforex.com news ID 7DD0638112027 22:44 am USD CHF. The bias remains bullish. NBSP stay on top of the markets with Swissquoteâ news amp analysis. NBSP pivot invalidation 0.9140. Our preference long positions above 0.9140 with targets at 0.9170 amp 0.9185 in extension. Alternative scenario below 0.9140. Look for further downside with 0.9125 amp 0.9110 as targets. Comment: even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, its extent should be limited. NBSP USD CAD. The downside prevails. Pivot invalidation 1.3360. Our preference short positions below 1.3360 with targets at 1.3310 amp 1.3295 in extension. Alternative scenario above 1.3360. Look for further upside with 1.3380 amp 1.3395 as targets. Comment: as long as the resistance at 1.3360 is not surpassed, the risk of the break below 1.3310 remains high. NBSP AUD USD turning up. Pivot invalidation 0.7145. Our preference long positions above 0.7145 with targets at 0.7185 amp 0.7210 in extension. Alternative scenario below 0.7145. Look for further downside with 0.7125 amp 0.7105 as targets. Comment: the RSI is bullish and calls for further upside. NBSP USD try the upside prevails. Pivot invalidation 7.2400. Our preference long positions above 7.2400 with targets at 7.3650 amp 7.4360 in extension. Alternative scenario below 7.2400. Look for further downside with 7.1750 amp 7.1120 as targets. Comment: the RSI lacks downward momentum. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.